it done freaked you out here. You done blowed them out of the water. How much money do they owe you back? I went over one time and I paid with a $20. I paid with a $20 bill. I got 10. Let's see, I got $10. How was that? I got $10 worth of stuff. Me and my boys went over and ate. That's a little old jug of tea and a couple of little old biscuits or something. It's about $10 something. And I gave her a $20 bill and the change. I actually had the exact change. And I don't know, it might have been like $11 or something, but I had the change. And she gave me back a 10 and a 5 and enough ones that made like $19. And I said, what are you doing? I said, I just gave you a $20 bill. And I said, you owe me back about $9. She gave me like $10 back too much, And I had this counted out, so I thought I was going to have to get some scratch paper out there, maybe write it out on a napkin for what she'd done.